Alright. So, welcome in everybody. My name is Princess Cat 16. You can also call me Katrina Cloud 16, which is my YouTube. Today we are playing Universe Sandbox, but not just any Universe Sandbox. We are going to so basically what we're doing is showcasing a solar system that I worked offline on, and it's for a streamer friend, which I asked them a bunch of questions on their stream, like, what would you call a star when, like, that, like, I don't know, just random questions, like, what would you want to name this? What would you want to name that? And I also added a little surprise at the end of, like, the little tour thing that I'm gonna be doing for the solar system. But right now, I probably should actually close my vent. So I will actually be right back. I'll leave the game audio running, but I'll be back. I really hope the Wi-Fi does not crash while we're doing this. Also, is my camera on, like, or is it, like, tilted at, like, an angle? Yeah, it was at an angle, okay. There we go. Now we can actually start the system. Okay. So, I basically asked them a whole bunch of questions. And then I had done, like, I actually made all the planets. I did, like, they did the names, I did the planets, and I also added two stuff at the end, specifically for them, or later. I don't know. Alright. Lamp core simulation. Alright. A simulation made by me based on questions from LampCore. Alright. So, there is more, but I will not do anything. Okay, so the first question I asked was, if you could name a star, what would you name it? And they chose J. Now, I did the descriptions and everything for all the planets. So, J is a sun-like star that is in its main sequence stage, still completely made out of hydrogen despite being around long enough to have planets. Could it be that the planets have formed at the same time? And then the next one, Finn, which they named, partly for Ilfinity, another streamer that, like, sometimes raids into them, and they raid each other sometimes. Alright. Finn is a small planet that orbits its star very fast, 16.4 days to be exact. This fast orbit makes this planet tidally locked to its star. And it's also, I should have added that it's also extremely hot on the one side. Like, it's technically hot all around, but it's like 510 degrees Celsius on its day side and 483 degrees Celsius on its night side, which would be almost 1,000 degrees Celsius on the day side and like 900 degrees Celsius on the night side. Probably should have added that for description as well. Alright. And I intended to take the space goggles off to see like what it would be like, but it's gonna be like flashbang basically. Yeah. So that's Finn, and then Jay, and then now the next planet, Neko. Neko is a Venus-like planet, although it's a little bit cooler than Venus. It averages around 367 degrees Celsius or 692 degrees Fahrenheit. It orbits its star in 7.13 months and rotates once every 261 days. And also has a little bit of carbon dioxide still on the ground from when I made it. But where's the center again? Right here? Okay. We go in, and then this is gonna be a bit bright. I say a bit, it's actually like completely white, you can't see anything. I can't even see where I'm going. Where's the water again? Right here. Or, well, not water, basically, it's just extremely, extremely bright. Alright, now on to the next planet. Also, I'm surprised Jay didn't throw off any solar flares. Okay, so the next planet is Meraki. Or Marakai. I don't know how to like I don't know what they wanted me to say this as. But specifically for this planet, because I did want one of the planets at least to have life, I kind of had, because like it doesn't let me do it the normal way. I had to put everything on always. So yeah, I liked the original like stuff for that. Like when terraforming first actually came out in this game. But anyways, Meraki is an Earth-like planet that surprisingly hosts life. It is orbited very closely by a small moon named Mimu. And yeah. Most of the planet is water on the other side. I think. Can't remember exactly. But this is what it looks like from the ground view. And sky goes off. Sun is very bright. But not as bad. Alright. Mimu. Mimu is a small moon of the planet Meraki. Well, I think it's Meraki. It orbits very close to its planet, making one orbit every 2.16 days. It is also tidally locked. Alright. So, Mimu is done. Now, which one was the next one? Was it this one, or was it this? Oh, these two orbit actually the same. I should have put that in the thing. That they orbit the exact same distance. They're just on opposite sides. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, Sola is a Mars-like planet, although it is a bit bigger and has less of an atmosphere. It has the barren qualities that Mars does. And then Yosai is, well, Yosi, I don't know how to pronounce that. Well, it's a small moon. This small moon of Thulma could possibly be an asteroid that was captured into orbit. I didn't really have anything to put for this. So it does have a nice mountain. I wish I could land on it. Oh wait, I can. It's not technically landing on it, but I mean... it's something. Yeah, that's a cool kind of mountain, kind of, on the top. It looks kind of like a hat. Alright, now the next one is all the way on the other side. Alright. this is a planet that has had a runaway greenhouse effect, possibly caused by its neighboring moon, Allium. It is an Earth-like planet, though it is a bit bigger than our Earth at 1.62 Earth masses, and yeah, it takes 2.21 years to orbit the star. And yeah, there's still a whole bunch of carbon dioxide on the ground. And what does this look like from there? I can't tell the difference. It doesn't look as bad as the other one though. Probably because it's got a bit smaller atmosphere, maybe? I don't know. It's got a lot of atmosphere though. And has like 3,704 layers of atmosphere. And then Allium is like, I edited this like recently because I figure like this one, I went to go look at it because this was originally a Earth like planet that had like conditions for life, but I went to go look at it and yeah, it overheated, and so I decided I might as well just edit this one too then. But Allium is the moon of fifth. It has a thick atmosphere of mostly carbon dioxide along with small amounts of sulfur dioxide and methane. It is believed that its close proximity to its host planet caused high volcanic activity in the past, causing it the thick atmosphere. While as it disappeared into space slowly, it fell back on Sif, slowly causing a runaway greenhouse effect that turned the planet into what it is today. And yeah, I mean, this one's completely barren, so I mean, it makes sense. And how much atmosphere? Yeah, 3.25% of Earth atmosphere. Or like that, I don't, like 3, that means the mass of Earth's atmosphere. And space goggles on. It's not bad. It does also have 28 atmosphere layers, so I mean, kinda makes sense. Alright. Now, we're getting to the point where we are going to the gas giant. Now, this one was honestly the easiest one to make out of all of them, other than Finn. Catarina is a super Jupiter containing with a very unusual material makeup, containing almost even amounts of nearly every material. It orbits its host star every 46-ish years. It has 8 moons: Lyri, Bizdis, Jazze, Old School, Yogi, Katra, Arklay, and Midna. The moons of this system are prime targets for spacefaring civilizations looking for pure resources for terraforming projects. So, yeah. So, yeah. And if anybody's wondering, yeah, it is basically has nearly identical of most. At least for like the gases and everything, other than helium and hydrogen, along with like the other stuff. Okay, Leary. Leary is a moon of Catarina with a very thick methane atmosphere and an expansive methane ocean, with very few and very small islands. Despite its very short orbital period, it is not tidally locked with its planet. The orbital period being 20.2 hours. But yeah. This is, Leary. It would look very dark on Leary, though, along with all the other moons. Alright, business. Bistis is a moon of Catarina. It has an ammonia atmosphere and ocean. It rotates once around its axis every 2 days while it orbits its planet every 3.5 days. Alright. Now, I think this one was the next one. Yeah. So, Jazze is a moon orbiting Catarina. It, like Leary, has a very expansive ocean and thick atmosphere. The only difference is that the material seems to be nitrogen rather than methane. And yeah, it has like 132 Earth atmospheres. Alright. Old school. Old School is a moon with a thick atmosphere and expansive ocean made entirely of oxygen. It averages around negative 16 degrees Celsius or 3.16 degrees Fahrenheit. And no, I do not really know how to spell. Yogi. Yogi is a moon of Catarina. It has a thick atmosphere made entirely of carbon dioxide along with a carbon dioxide ocean. It rotates once every 7 days or once a week. Alright, Oh, you know what? Maybe I should save you for last, or... No, because you are higher than this one, okay. You were higher than that one. Okay. Catra. Catra is a moon of Catarina. It rotates completely on its side and has an atmosphere and ocean made completely of hydrogen and helium. I should have also added that when they sent the probe to this, they were surprised that it wasn't a gas giant. Though this is mostly fictional. It's not real. Alright. Arclay, the last moon of Catarina. Arclay is a moon of Catarina. It has a sulfur dioxide atmosphere and a sulfur dioxide ocean. Though there is more land than ocean, it also rotates nearly on its side. That being... well, oh, okay. I should not try and do that. But yeah, you can kind of see it's like this. Almost. While Catra well, technically I could just do it like this and show you. Catra basically spins on its side. While Arclay spins like this. Alright. Now, I believe there was 2 more. Though, I'm gonna be honest, I made these ones myself as, like, a gift, kind of. Alright, so the first planet is Gavatron. You might recognize this as the name of Gavatron Gaming. Since I kind of figured LampCore, like, I don't know, like if they wanted to put like the names on there or not, but I decided, yeah, sure. So, LampCore and Gavatron Gaming. But Gavatron, I misspelled this. Okay. Gavatron is a super Earth that takes 181 years to orbit its star. It does have a moon called LampCore, and the tidal heating from both Gavatron and LampCore is enough for them to sustain liquid water. Which I'm surprised I was even able to get this to work. But here it is. And then LampCore's description is kind of similar. So, LampCore is a Earth-sized moon orbiting the super-Earth Gavatron. It orbits close enough to its planet that is technically classified as a double planet, aka the orbital period is the 9.63 days. I think it's kind of similar, like it's they're basically about the same distance, same, like, if I were to put a berry center between both of them, it would make it so that way it'd be a little outside of Gavitron's orbit, which, well, Gavitron's surface, which would basically make it a double planet. Which I should have put that instead of, yeah. But anyways, both LampCore and Gavitron's proximity causes tidal heating that allows liquid water on both of them. So yeah, kinda similar, kinda not. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just surprised I actually got this to work. Like, I didn't even think that... Okay, this one's kind of freezing a bit, so... But... I mean... You're fine. And you... Technically not freezing. Wait, was the other one freezing, or was that just... Yeah, looks a little bit like ice, yeah. Okay, this one's freezing, but the other one, not so much. This one has been about the same temperature the entire time that I've had this here. So maybe this one's not really in the tidal heating, but this one is? I don't know. But yeah, that is kind of the system. I did not mean to do kind of flashbang there. I also, because technically this star actually was yellow before. It did not want to actually heat up like it was supposed to. So I had to edit the surface temperature to be exactly the sun's surface temperature. So, yeah. I don't know. Alright, so that's basically all I wanted to show. I don't really have any other systems that I could show, technically, because I showed all of my systems on the first video. Like, well, not on the first video, but on a different series for Universe Sandbox. But, yeah. So this is LampCore's system. And, yeah. Now, to see, like, who should we rate? I mean, LampCore's currently doing Resident Evil. Could technically raid them. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do that. So, go back to the main simulation. And yeah, I can always... Well, actually, you know what? Hang on. I should go back, because I did forget that I was supposed to save the mistake that I made. Okay, so save. Okay. Now I go back to the base sim. And then we raid out the lamp core. Alright, so we are going to be raiding Lamp Core. They are currently playing Resident Evil and doing, I think, the remake of Resident Evil 1. I'm not completely entirely sure. But yeah, go give them a follow, hang out, and yeah, I will see you guys in about 3 days doing something else, probably not Universe Sandbox. But yeah, I hope you all have a good day. Please go check out my Discord and my other channels. They are in the About Me. And yeah, see you guys on Friday. This is Princess Cat 16 and Katrina Cloud 16 on YouTube. Signing off for the night. And yeah, bye bye.